Well, it's been described as the most catastrophic flood that this area's ever seen. We had a perfect storm of issues. Our cell phone service failed, and the power was off not only at the treatment plant but in town itself. The storm caused a main water line to break, and we lost about 3.5 million gallons of water and had no way to put that water back in the system because we had no power. We're very fortunate to have a long-term relationship with our local cat dealer. So being on a first-name basis with the folks there was the connection that we needed to be able to call and say, help us. And we needed a 200 kW generator. They did something that we have never heard of anybody being willing to do before. They unplugged the generator that was running their facility and brought it to us. Just amazed that we would have that kind of relationship with a company that'd be willing to do that. And so we really were able to use that generator to help us serve our citizens very, very quickly.
So we are a retirement community, basically offer the continuum of health care for residents as they go through the aging process. So having power is very critical for us in this building. Going through the hurricane was very hectic and stressful. We lost water in addition to the power, so having the backup generators running was super critical for us. It allowed us to continue our operations pretty much as normally as we could. When we lost this generator at our healthcare center, it was about 3 in the morning, at which point I made a call or two. I had a crew out here in a matter of hours to make an assessment. We had a specific need for a 125 kilowatt generator. Carolina Cat was able to supply us with an exact match. The technicians that brought it out handled everything. Hopefully we don't have to go through something like this again. In the event we do and we have a failure on any of our backup power systems, we'll certainly Carolina Cat's going to be the first people we call.
I don't think anybody thought that it was going to be as bad as it was, so we had a select few customers order ahead of time, but Caterpillar as a company loves to come together in times like this, and so we were fortunate enough to be able to pull from dealers across the country to help us be able to fulfill the needs of our customers. I feel very honored to be able to help customers in such a catastrophic time, be able to come back together and start to rebuild.